All of you are so obsessed with getting a middle part. Now, I'm gonna break down how to get that middle part. It doesn't matter if your hair is straight, wavy, curly. Well, curly kind of matters because curly tends to not be able to really want a part, but this works best for someone who's got really, really straight hair or naturally wavy hair. So if you're looking to get a middle part, the best thing to do is one, make sure your hair is long enough. As you can see on this mannequin head, right? Look how long that hair is. The hair, if I hold it upside down, look at this. The hair is literally coming down past the nose. You need to make sure you have the right hair length in order to achieve this type of style, because if your hair is too short, it's not going to want to split. The longer your hair, the easier it is to part, aka split or part down the middle like this. All right, you see what I can do? I can literally just brush this aside and the hair is splitting. So again, this doesn't matter if the hair is wavy or straight. What's important is that you have the right hair length. Now, if you want to have it layered, that's going to enhance the hair to make it wavy, even if your hair is straight. If you have wavy hair and it's this long and you have layers, it's going to enhance the waves as long as you're styling it properly. But what you can do is while you are getting out of the shower, you can towel out your hair and you can then take this. This is a carbon comb. I sell this comb on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. It's a carbon comb. Listen to this thing. This thing is solid, man. So what you want to do is there's a few ways you can do this. You can comb your hair back with this. I would also suggest using my 25 spray to help get rid of some knots and add some condition to your hair. Comb the hair all the way back like this, and then you can push the hair forward and the hair will naturally want to split. That could be one way to find a off-center part or a middle part. If you want to go exactly down the middle, what you need to do is align, and that's why I suggest using this. You line the comb up, the point of the comb with your nose like this, and you go straight back. You go all the way straight back, split the hair, and then your hair is going to be in the middle. So that's why it's really, really important that you use the right tools, you have the right hair length, and all of these things are going to help contribute to your style. Now, if you want to style this a certain way, it then goes down to using maybe my product Tidal Wave if you want to enhance some waves. My blow dryer, the ionic blow dryer that I sell, which comes with a magnetic diffuser that is going to help create that texture and enhance those waves. So there's a lot more to it than just combing your hair down the middle and splitting it. But the haircut, the hair length, the right products, your hair texture, all of that matters. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.